Yes. Okay, sir. I was born in Nigeria. I was born in Nigeria and I've been a lecturer for over 2 decades now. And I have watched virtually what I can call the hypocrisy that is going on in Nigeria. How Nigerian government, or let me use Nigeria, has actually left those who are very, very important to the country. How they keep victimizing people who are so important. I have been following the case of Chief Sunday Igboho, not even knowing that I will come to meet him for quite some time, because I just developed interest. Just as I said, my mother is a Yoruba person, but I am not a Yoruba. But I was brought up, schooled, everything in the Yoruba land. So when I saw somebody who actually developed interest in assisting the Yorubas, taking Yorubas out of slavery. Sorry, sir, permit me to use that word. Out of slavery. Out of slavery. We have been humiliated for ages now, and we've had opportunities, sir. I am a lecturer. By the special grace of God, I have more than 30 publications, but there is a particular one that I normally make reference to. I call it national question in Nigeria. That not until national question is addressed in Nigeria, there will always be a problem. There are fundamental issues. It's quite unfortunate that we have had our people there. Sorry again to say this, sir. How did this our president go to where he is? He got to where he is now by virtue of one man, a Yoruba man put him there. At the detriment of we the Yorubas. And we are now suffering. My colleague professor came in and he said something to Chief. He said, Chief, said, I love you. He actually said it from the depth of his heart. I love you. I love what you are doing. We need people who can tell the government of Nigeria the truth. And that is what Chief Sunday Igboho is doing. And we are behind him. We are behind him. We are behind him. And I pray that God will continue to sustain him. Amen. God will continue to sustain him. Amen. Yes, the Triple Biblical University is a university in the United States of America. I met them a couple of years ago, and I know that they have been doing one or two things. And when I was called upon to come and do this, I said, fine. And I just told our daddy, maybe I should chip in that one too. It's very, very important. I just told our daddy, when I was called to come and do this, there's no way I go. I normally present whatever case to the governing council of my own school. When I did, they said, are you sure you are going to see a whole Sunday Igboho? I said yes. They said, please, if we get there, tell them that we also want to honor him in a very special way. In fact, I was expecting a letter, but they did not bring. I ought to have brought that. Maybe I'll bring the letter later. I ought to have brought that letter, just letter to introduce this. They said, they want to. I said, but they said, this is a school in America. We are in Africa. He's an African. And by virtue of even being in Benin, the school is in Benin, we must also honor him before he leaves. I said, I will definitely deliver your message. And again, sir, I was not properly briefed of how the program will look like. If not, we would have prepared. In fact, we were supposed to be 5. But probably because of today, some of them, because of one artillery or the other, they could not.
This preparation is good enough.
They could not. Thank you, sir. They could not make it. So, by virtue of how the program ought to be, we ought to read his citations first. That we did not prepare. You could see me, I was moving up and down. But luckily, since I was told, I just went to his page, I've been studying him. I've been studying him since about a week. So that actually gave me an idea. I said, okay, I will just try and scribble something down. We will definitely use that. So pardon me, sir, if I don't have a well-written essay, but the way I have done it, I will try and read it. So we are to read the citation of Chief Sunday Adeniyi Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igboho. He said Sunday Igboho Osha has risen to become a popular figure in Nigeria. He was involved in the Ife Modakeke War and now is leading an uprising against the Fulani community in the southwestern Nigeria. Igboho became the topic of discussion in Nigeria and probably around the world. Sunday Igboho was born in the 70s. Hail from Igboho town, Okeogun, Oyo State. They say he moved to live with his father, popularly called Baba Igboho, in Modakeke area of Osun State. Igboho was made a youth leader and also one-time chairman of motorcycle riders in Modakeke. Igboho gained international recognition for the part he played in the Ife Modakeke War between 1997 and 1998, where he helped to defend the Modakeke people. Igboho is married to wives who currently live outside of Nigeria in different countries, precisely Canada and Germany. Igboho is of Christian faith and also known as traditionalist. Most times when I read that aspect, when I read that, I know that definitely we all, it's a long story, sir. It's a long story. I am a professor of Yoruba civilization. That is my field, Yoruba civilization. And the incursion of this Western idea have actually made us to lose our focus, our roots. You are either a Christian or a Muslim. But originally, who are we? Before the incursion of this. Originally. So the traditionalists, this thing still remains. We cannot. It's quite unfortunate that now people don't want to be associated with tradition again. We see it, the word that the white have actually put in our mouth, we see it, we say it is fetish. But we really need to understand something. That is why I love the Indians, the Chinese. They really appreciate where they are coming from. And that is why I said we have so much in Nigeria that we really need to address. We are still youth. These are our grannies. You are our grannies. We are still youth. But I think if that correction can be made now, it will go a long way. Apologies, sir. Religion is one of those things that is still causing problem in Nigeria today. Religion around the world, thank you, sir. Around the world, religion is a major problem. So it is my honor and privilege to present to you the Akoni Odua of Yoruba land, Chief Dr. Sunday Adeniyi Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igboho, to be honored with the honorary doctorate degree in peace, in war, conflict and peace studies by the Tribute Christian University.
No going back. No going back, no.
Now, after the ceremony, you can now sleep. Because you haven't slept in the
Sir, I cannot do it in your presence.
Kán lọ máa ṣọ́ bíríìjì kan bẹ́ẹ̀ o, kán máa ràn tó máa lọ bínú kó sínú ẹ̀. Kán máa lọ bínú kó sínú bíríìjì.